Today we're going to see how we can use a homemade gel plate just like a stamp. A temporary stamp, but you can make it to imprint any image you want. And at the end of this video you will see how I turn my photos into unique stamps, which I can use in my journals or use them to make cards and so on. So here we have a few homemade plates I've made recently. As you can see, they are different shapes and sizes. And I'm also going to use these acrylic or plexiglass pieces to hold my plates. I got this one, which is 8 by 10 inches from a hardware store. And I simply cut another one to smaller pieces with a razor knife. And this one is a piece of glass I took out of a picture frame and taped the sharp edges. So this is how I use it. I place the gel plate and press it down so it sticks to the acrylic support. This way I can use it like a stamp. And here I have a few odd pieces of gelatin that I basically cut them out of a bigger gel plate I made. I like to place them together, and I mostly use them to create a unique background. Okay, so let's begin with the little round one. And first, let's make something simple. I'm just spreading some paint on my plate. And for now, I'm just using a homemade stamp. And yeah, this is another homemade stamp. And again, I'm just keeping it simple. Basically stamping my plate stamp with another stamp. Now I'm using some stencils to make impressions in the paint. And now let's try to make a stamp using this text, which I printed with my laser printer. So again, I'm spreading some paint on my plate. And I'm placing it face down onto the text. And basically I now have an impression of the text in the paint, which I'm going to stamp onto the paper. Okay, so now let's try botanical image, which again I printed with my laser printer. And by the way, if you're interested in learning how to transfer your own images step by step, check out my online class. You will learn the full process of transferring an image with a gel plate. So yeah, check out the link to the online class below this video. And now I'm going to try to get an image from a magazine page. It's pretty much the same process. And this one is a page from an old book. And finally, I would like to use one of my photos. Obviously, it's from San Francisco. So hopefully it looks good as a stamp. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll make something more artistic with these stamps. Maybe we'll make some collage art. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video.